Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Baz and this is our second attempt at learning to sail from YouTube. I've been watching and learning from a range of YouTubers including SV Dallas, La Vagabond, Sailing Uma and Josh Post. I found one of Josh Post's videos particularly helpful, so I'll link that below in case you're learning to sail in lockdown too. On board is my wife Rachel, aka We Shoot Stuff Photographic Services, and our two kids, Emily and Isaac. We've also got our good friends Craig and Grace aboard for the adventure. Sailing is entirely new for all of us, but our first sail of Lady Emma went pretty well. So stick around and find out how we go for our second time on the water.
Lock it in, Eddie.
Lock it in. We're sailing once again.
What are we doing now?
3.5 knots. Sorry. Back out on Corio Bay at Geelong. Sailing out of St Helens again today. We had hoped to do an overnighter somewhere down on Gippsland Lakes, but the weather really didn't coincide with our availability for a weekend, so that's on the back burner for now. Winter's coming and we wanted to get out and do another sail before winter really came, so this will do for today. We'll get another sail under our belts. We're just sailing under head sail at the moment. Forecast wind was for about 5 to 10 knots today, and so we're just doing a nice comfortable sort of 2.5 to 3.5 knots under just the head sail. Having a cuppa. Cheers. Don't call it cruising for no reason. We're definitely cruising pretty easy. At the northern end of Corio Bay now, we're just hooking around. We're sort of following the Royal Geelong Yacht Club markers around the bay at the moment, so heading kind of in a, I suppose, easterly or southeasterly direction. Doing about 2.5, 3.5 knots still, just on the head sail. Just keeping it nice and cruisy. Guns out. Very relaxing sail on Corio Bay. Only our second time on Lady Emma.
I mean, he know the boat, did he? That guy.
Yeah. You were a previous owner. So I met a guy at St Helens who recognised the boat and thought that he'd met us before, but then he realised that he hadn't. He had met the previous owner of the boat. He's a member of the Geelong Trailerable Yacht Club, which is one I've been looking at joining, and also the Ultimate Club, because he's got an Ultimate himself. What did you say the name was? Restless? I think it was Restless.
I know. The Ultimate 18.
Yeah, Ultimate 18.
Oh, we're picking up speed now.
Rock keel version as opposed to our swing keel. Oh, we're on the wind now.
Who'd have thought we'd be sailing?
I know, right? Alright, we've got two sails up now. We weren't moving, going anywhere, so bit of a change. There was a bit of wind, but maybe 7 or 8 knots of wind according to Willy Weather.
Oh, Willy.
Willy Weather. But we weren't really going anywhere, so we thought, as much as we've been doing well with just the head sail, now we've got the main sail out, and we're heading pretty much south, I think. Yeah, maybe south, southeast. We really want to be heading southwest, but that's where the wind's coming from, so We'll head this way for a bit and then we'll tack and probably tack again and gradually make our way back to St. Helens. Tacking again. Not too many tacks really. We started out, well, basically once we hit our furthest point, it was, we sort of lost purpose there for a minute, lost direction, we were struggling, so mainsail went up, because heading back to the boat ramp is pretty much straight into the wind from where we'd gone out to, which was the north shore of Corio Bay. I'll show you what we've done on the phone using sea maps for navigation. So where it gets a little squiggly, we're going a bit slow, we're going nowhere. We got the head sail up, started heading back northwest. We got back on track and now heading south, and we'll head south until we pretty much hit the shipping channel there, and then we'll head pretty much west back towards our starting point. Where we're heading, it's pretty much straight there. The wind is coming from this direction down here somewhere. So hopefully get down until we hit these shipping markers. You can see them in the distance. And then we'll head west, back towards the boat ramp, and we'll have been a good day out. Ready? No, I'm not ready. I might just move that. Alright, tacking now.
Alright.
Alright, that went pretty well. Oh, there we go. We just found our wind and we got 4 knots. All in all, I think that our second sail on Corio Bay has gone pretty well. We wanted to experiment with sailing under just the head sail, and that worked pretty well downwind, but we quickly realised that wasn't going to work at a close haul, so we raised the mainsail, altered course, and got back on track. As we neared St. Helens, we passed a large ship that caused us to lose wind, so we started the outboard and motored back to the ramp. I'm kind of getting hooked on this sailing caper, so it's going to be a long winter waiting for warmer sailing weather, but I'm already planning our next sailing adventure. Thanks for coming sailing with us. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll catch you next time for some more land-based adventures.